All right, crank this baby up in Colorado Springs. Getting out of here. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Crank her up. Lovely. The smell of diesel smoke in the morning. I'm getting out of here. Woo! Where's that breeze? Carry those fumes away. Gotta love it. Welcome to Colorado Springs. We've made our donation to the air pollution. Woo, you! Where do we stay? Super 8. 45 bucks. Tax included. All right, where are we heading?
Down the road, under the field.
Yeah, we are in the wrong map. Kansas, Wichita, where's that? Colorado. We are in Colorado.
70, isn't it?
Yep, hitting the road. We're in Colorado Springs, right there, just below Denver. And we're heading up to Peyton and 70 to Wichita and get some truck parts. Big bumper. Is it down there? Oh, they moved it. Well, we're going up. We're going in the middle of Halstead.
Oh, where is Halstead?
Somewhere between Topeka and Wichita.
Oh, that's fine. Maybe I will make it by the night.
Yeah, we'll see.
How are you here?
I don't know.